Jonathan here with Darrow Kia Madison. Today I wanted to take a moment and talk about the difference between certified pre-owned and used. So I'm standing here in front of two great vehicles we have on our lot. I have a certified pre-owned Sportage as well as a used Jeep Renegade. Now, this used Jeep Renegade will come with any remaining manufacturer warranty if applicable and transferable. And it has to go through a very thorough inspection to make sure that in terms of safety and mechanical related functions of the vehicle, everything is in perfect working order. Same deal with the Sportage. However, the Sportage being certified pre-owned, it has to meet more stringent of standards, which are dictated by the manufacturer. And beyond just whatever remaining applicable, transferable, remaining new car warranty, this will also have powertrain warranty up to 10 years or 100,000 miles from when it was originally sold, and that's the case with any certified pre-owned Kia that we sell. 12 months or 12,000 miles from when you buy it of platinum level coverage. That is true bumper to bumper, everything except for wearable parts. The remaining duration of the 5 years, 60,000 mile warranty, and you also get with any certified pre-owned Kia 10 years or unlimited miles from when it was originally sold of roadside assistance. So if you have an issue on the side of the road, you pop your tire, run out of gas, or have a breakdown, anywhere in the United States, there's a little sticker in your window with the number you call, and they'll get someone dispatched right away to help you out. Now, I know this is always a little bit confusing, so if you have any questions about either our certified pre-owned or just our pre-owned vehicles, call or stop by today.